let's see how to fix Samsung iPad not turning on. In the first step, hold down the power key for 30 seconds. After that, later, let go of the key and wait for the tablet to start up. In the next step, plug your tablet into its original charger. Next, now, make sure the charger is firmly connected to a working power source. Next, let the tablet charge for at least 15 minutes. In the next step, look into the charging port for any dust or debris. Now, later, carefully clean the port with a soft brush or compressed air. In the next step, hold the power key until the Samsung logo shows up. Then quickly press and hold the volume down key. After that, now, keep holding until the device starts in safe mode. In the next step, inspect the tablet's exterior for any physical damage. Next, now, check for any signs of liquid damage. Then, later, make sure all buttons are working properly. You are good to go.